My dear friends and students, today I am going to discuss with you the second part of our plus 2 physics. That is, in the last video we have just started the discussion of the chapter electric field, electric charges and field. So we can continue. So in the first video we discussed what is charge, what are its properties. Now we are going to discuss types of charging, how to charge the bodies. In the universe, most of the bodies are appeared in neutral stage because matter is made up of atoms. In almost all the atoms in normal state, number of protons and number of electrons are equal. Number of protons having 1 unit positive charge and electron having 1 unit negative charge. So they are equal in almost all the atoms. They are electrically neutral. So the substances are in universe, it is appeared in neutral state. Then also we can charge the matter, the bodies we can charge. Some charged bodies, sometimes it depends upon the property. Sometimes it loses charges. The uncharged bodies we can charge them. We can charging by different methods also. So first we are going to discuss what are the different types of charging. So mainly 3 types of charging is there. First one, by friction. By friction means by rubbing the substances we can charge it. And the second thing is by induction. We can charge the bodies by induction. Induction means bring one charged body and an uncharged body very close. Not direct contact, keep very close. That is the way of charging by induction. And the third one is by conduction. So the one by one we can discuss. First one, types of charging. Types of charging. First one, by friction. Means by rubbing. When we rub 2 bodies, electrons may transfer from one body to another. The body which loses electrons getting positive charge. If one electron is transferred, means the body which loses electrons getting 1 unit positive charge. And the body which gains electrons getting 1 unit negative charge. Okay. So the body which loses electrons getting positive charge and body which gains electron getting negative charge. So that is, for example, when we rub a glass rod with silk. When we rub a glass rod with silk, electrons are transferred from glass to silk. So glass getting positive charge and silk getting negative charge. Suppose why it is happened actually. Normally in 2 bodies, suppose think 2 bodies. Suppose in the first body A and B. Suppose in the first body there are 100. Just for explanation I am telling, okay? Approximately, just for an example, there are 100 protons and 100 electrons in the first body. And in the second body, suppose 200 protons and 200 electrons. Normally both the bodies are electrically neutral because both number of protons and electrons are equal. Suppose one electron is transferred from this body to this, from A to B, one electron is transferred. Then what is happening? Here one electron number one electron is reduced, then it becomes 99 electrons. And the B gains 1 electron, means its number of electrons here, it will be increased. Then what is happening here? Here proton number now 1 is more. 99 electrons neutralize 99 protons. Remaining 1 electron is excess. 1 proton is excess, means 1 unit positive charge. 1 unit positive charge getting here. So here number of electron, 1 electron is 200 protons neutralize 200 electrons charge. But 1 electron is excess, means 1 unit negative charge is excess more here. So that is what happens, okay. Like that, when ebonite rod is rubbed with fur, what will happen? Electrons are transferred from fur to the different direction. Electrons are transferred from fur to ebonite. Then here fur losing electron, so it gets positive charge, and ebonite is negatively charged also. When we rub, actually the protons and neutrons, they are inside the nucleus, they will not be transferred. But neutrons and protons are inside the nucleus, they are safe there. But electrons, they are transferred from loosely bonded atom. The body having more free electrons. From the atom having more number of free electrons, electron is transferred from the other body. Okay. From the body having loosely packed electrons, electron transfer from the body having more free electrons to another body. That is what happened. Yeah. So for understanding these things, there is an electrostatic series. Glass, this is the series, okay. Glass, nylon, wool and silk, then cotton, aluminum, paper, steel, then plastic, rubber, polyester and ebonite, like this, okay. This is an electrostatic series. Here substances are arranged in the order of excess of free electrons. Glass having more free electrons than nylon. This is glass having more free electrons than nylon. Nylons having more free electrons, this is nylon, than wool. Wool having more free electrons than silk. Then this is cotton. This is aluminum. Then this is paper. And this is steel and plastics, rubber, polyester and ebonite. See this? So compared to polyester, ebonite having less free electrons. When we rub polyester with the ebonite, electrons are transferred from polyester to ebonite. Because in the series, electrostatic series, ebonite lies below polyester, means electrons transfer. In polyester, there is more free electrons than ebonite. Okay. So if you have this series in your mind, in exams maybe some questions will come. What happened when wool and silk are rubbed together? Then you can write the answer. What will happen? Electrons will transfer from wool to silk, and wool getting positively charged and silk getting negatively charged. One more question may be asked like this. Is there any effect in mass of the body when a body is getting charged? When a body is getting charged, is there any effect on mass? There will be any change in mass? Yes, there will be change. Because when a body is charged means electron is transferred from one body to another. Electron its mass is very small, then also there is mass for electrons. Then when one or more some electrons are transferred from one body to another, the body which loses electrons, their mass is reduced, and the body which gains electrons, its mass is increased. Okay, so when a body is positively charged, it loses electrons, and so its mass is decreased. Like that, the body which is negatively charged means it gains electrons, so its mass is increased. Positively charged means mass decreased, negatively charged means mass increased. Okay, so there is an effect. When a body is charged, there is an effect on mass. The second type of charging, anyway, that we can discuss in the next video. Okay, have a nice day.